How to allow Viber to automatically save media to your gallery. So if you want to allow Viber to automatically save media to your gallery, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with your Play Store and make sure that you've updated the application. Once you've updated, you need to open up your Viber application. After opening your Viber, now you need to go with the bottom right, which has that three dots. And from the three dots, you need to tap on Settings. Under Settings, you need to go with Media. And under Media, if you want to allow Viber to automatically save your media to your gallery, then you will have an option of Save to Gallery. Make sure that it is turned on. And if you want to auto download media over your mobile network, you can go and turn that on, or auto download media when you've connected to your Wi-Fi, or auto play videos, or restrict data usage. But the main thing you need to do is Save to Gallery. After turning on Save to Gallery, all of your videos or your photos or your media will be saved to your gallery. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.